This video is going to be a quick rundown on the latest updates that are coming to hashing space and asimi token as we know it. So this economy is about to change. This economy is about to go big. So all those people who are actually part of asimi or hashing space right now, congratulations to you, because you are basically one of the earliest adopters of a great industry that is booming right now, that is going to go crazy in the next few years, in the next few months. So this video is basically just a rundown of what Luke Millard, who is the CEO of Hashing Space, rundown during his video presentation on his YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go through this video and explaining what basically the whole video is all about for those who didn't watch it. So if you got time, I would really encourage you to go watch this video on his channel so that you actually get what he had to say and everything that he has to explain. So I'm just going to give you a quick summary whilst going through the video itself. So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, turn notification, leave a like, comment, and join the Telegram group if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies and how you can make money online for free. So let's get into today's video. So as you can see, this is basically Hashing Space, what it's all about. Home-based businesses advertising in cryptocurrency. That's the main idea or the main thing behind Hashing Space as a community. And basically the latest updates that are coming here is basically just to improve Hashing Space as we know it today. So if I can just pause on this video right now, as you can see, so basically what he talked about in this video, he's talking about the services that are going to be offered, all the new services that are going to come through on Hashing Space. And as we know today, I mean, they have products that we know, advertising products, right? They are looking forward to increase their advertising products, get more physical products actually that are going to be coming soon. So they're expanding from just being digital to actual physical. So like this coin that you're seeing in the middle right there, that is spinning in the middle right there, the asimi coin. So they actually now have a real asimi coin that is made out of silver, if I'm not mistaken. So you can actually start purchasing these coins at the price that they are now. And of course, as the value goes, it's just like investing on a coin, right? And over time, it actually gains more value than what you bought it for. So that's basically like a long-term type of investment, I would say. No guaranteeing that, but you can go read about it on asimi.io website, which is like the official website for asimi itself, besides the Hashing Space platform, which is like the advertising platform where asimi is spent, right, is used. But the asimi website, the asimi.io, that's where you can learn more about the asimi as a token itself, as a currency, as a cryptocurrency that it is, right, and that it is going. So I'm mostly excited about the exchange. So basically, when cryptocurrency is now available on different exchanges, that means people are able to buy and sell that cryptocurrency and make a difference between the prices from one exchange to another, which means they're basically making profits. So when that starts happening, that means there's a lot of liquidity in the market for asimi tokens like gains, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the other different cryptocurrencies that you can trade asimi for. So as that increases, that means the demand and supply for asimi token is going to be high. So that creates a lot of liquidity in the market, therefore creating a chance for everybody to be able to sell their cryptocurrencies, their asimi, at the highest value possible. I'm at least waiting for it to hit $1. As I always say, the asimi token came all the way down from $25 at some point when it started, and now it's currently at about 4 cents for each asimi token. Even though just a few weeks ago it actually showed us that there's a lot of potential in it, as it actually doubled its value all the way to 7 cents for each token in just a matter of hours. Actually less than an hour, I would say, if you look at the graph. So it just shows the potential behind asimi tokens. So if you have the patience, I would say hold on to your asimi tokens, or rather use it to advertise, so that you are in as like an affiliate marketer, so you get paid for products. Because remember, Hashing Space is more than just an earning platform. It's also a platform where you advertise and get a lot of leads, a lot of sales, and make money that way as well. So I am doing both. I'm advertising with Hashing Space. I'm also holding on to my asimi tokens. so that I can transact it at least when it hits at least 50 cents for each asimi token. But mostly I'm looking forward to when it hits $1 because I really believe it that it will be able to do so. As I shared in the previous videos, if you haven't watched that video, you can check out the link down below where I was able to transact asimi tokens at $1.50 for each, somewhere around there, because I was able to transact 27 asimi into about $60 plus just back in February 2019. So it's not a long time ago. Hashing Space basically was launched October 2018. So it's basically just about a year, and they've been able to achieve all this. So now it's about going higher. It's about expanding and just making asimi a greater, better platform overall, and giving asimi better value overall. So if we can continue with this diagram, as you can see, earning opportunities. This is really interesting because there's a lot of new ways of earning that are being introduced right now, where you'll be able to monetize your own blogs. Yes, your own website. If you're interested in making your own blog so that you actually don't miss out on this opportunity when it comes out, you can actually check the video that I just made recently, or this video where I explain how to buy a domain. So if you're interested in that, you can get started with that at a discounted price, so that you actually have your blog ongoing. So that you as soon as this comes out, you are able to capitalize on it as soon as possible. Because remember, this is about early adopters. Early adopters always make the most. You know, when you catch the trend, once it's at least lowest, you always make it to the top with it, right? As it trends, you also make a lot of money. So that's why I'm saying, if you're interested in that, start your blogs now, and in a specific niche, like how to make money online and so forth. You know, something that will always be forever green. Like the 3 top forever green niches that we look at when it comes to online businesses is the fitness niche, health and relationships, as well as the money. So wealth is those are the 3 niches that you always be forever green, meaning they will never die out. You'll always be able to capitalize something in that type of niche. So you can go ahead and go start a blog like that. So I basically have my own website, anselimshambiria.com, that I'm building up right now. So I'm going to be doing a video to just show you the progress with that. So stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, turn notifications so that you never miss a video, so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about, or how you can actually capitalize on this, right? So if I can just show you some of these slides so that we actually go through. So products, they're looking at valuable and growing product use. So that just means increasing the number of people that are actually purchasing these products that are being used on Hashing Space, right? Digital and physical products, as I said, they have the physical coin, asimi token, that they're actually selling. Now I think it's available for purchase already. And then we got the digital, which is obviously the advertising product. Online advertising focus. So that's the main basic focus of Hashing Space as we know it, right? So advertise targeted audience to your business, home business base, affiliate niches, generate leads and sales and profits and so forth. So that's the power of Hashing Space. And this I can guarantee you that if you put your money and effort into Hashing Space to really learn how everything works around and the type of product that's actually convert really well, you'll be able to make a lot of money with Hashing Space. That I can guarantee you. But I mean, this is not investing advice or anything, just to be safe, but I can surely say a lot of people are seeing success. Even myself, I've shared my own video making money with being an affiliate with Hashing Space ads, because they just work. They simply work. They're a great product and they work. I would really recommend you that you try it out and see if it works for you as well. So the earning part, obviously we're already earning with minting asimi into circulation. That's the ad minting, which costs about $100 to get started with. But then you basically get that $100 back, sent into your account back daily in potions, and a little bit in potions, right? So you basically putting in money so that you earn on top of your money whilst getting your money back. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but that's exactly what is happening. I've shown it in all my videos. That's basically what is happening. All the money that I've put into my ad minting stakes, I've basically gotten it back slowly but surely, getting it back day in, day out. So on top of that, I'm able to mint more asimi tokens as well. So that means you earning on your money that you're going to get back, which is crazy, right? crazy way of earning. So basically you're earning for free, and with the view to earn, you basically earn even more without any investment whatsoever. So minting asimi into circulation is one of the best ways that I've been able to earn. And then watching ads and getting paid for free, that's the basic one that right now that was recently introduced. And if you're taking action right now, this is the best time to get it on so that you get the most out of it. And then simple crypto account going, so the publish. So what they are planning on this, as I said, if you have a blog, if you've got a website, you'll be able to publish ads on your website. So this is what I'm saying. If you got a blog that you're going to start right now, just make sure it's something that you can actually add on your own code into. So don't use some part of third-party website building software that you won't be able to modify your website and put some ad type of code that will enable you to run ads. So I recommend WordPress hosting, which powers over 30%. That's millions and millions of websites out there. So if you want to get started with WordPress, you can actually check out the link down below, which will give you a discount on your hosting and so forth. So you can check that link down below and get started building your website right now for simply paying for about less than $3 a month, which is pretty much crazy, and you get a free domain, so which is really amazing. Publishing ads on your website, that's going to be interesting. That's why I'm already starting with my own website so that I'll be able to monetize on this as well. So you earn asimi from your blog. So whatever your blog will be about, as I say, the top 3 niches that I really see doing great: health and wealth, relationships, as well as wealth. I mean, your health niche, the relationships niche, as well as your wealth. So that's the money matters, all those types of things. So that's what really works. So if you're one of the early adopters of this Hashing Space platform, you really understand the power within it as much as I do. So that's why I'm really trying to share my journey with you ever since when I actually started with Hashing Space, so that we actually grow together with this. Those who actually see the value in Hashing Space, and then you'll be able to monetize on it earlier than others. That gives you a great opportunity to make the most money over the long run, because this business is basically here to stay. That I can guarantee you, looking at it, the progress that has been there ever since it started. So as I said, this is the most one that I'm really excited about. Various exchanges listing store and exchange asimi with ease, improved availability and liquidity. That's where the big advantage is. That's where the most money is going to be made when it comes to transaction with asimi tokens. It's available on different liquidity on exchanges. That's what I said. You buy from one exchange to another. We call it cryptocurrency arbitrage. So that will be able to happen, and then that will obviously increase the value of asimi token, therefore allowing you to transact your asimi tokens into a lot of money on the long run. So that's really interesting. I'm really looking forward to that. Different exchanges. So services. Now this is actually new. This is pretty much amazing. So you'll be able to sell your own services on Hashing Space. Find the expertise that you need. Open doors to new asimi uses. So as you say by yourself, if you're a graphic designer, if you're a web designer, if you're a freelancer, this is another place where you'll be able to offer your services. This is another place where you'll be able to find good services for affordable prices, right? Like, I mean, look at Fiverr. Fiverr's doing a great job. So I think that's the main idea behind this as well. Where once Hashing Space actually expanding into those type of businesses as well. So this is going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to this as well. And then promoting. Affiliate offers, if you're an affiliate for Hashing Space, you already know the powerful opportunity to earn commissions with this. So affiliate marketing is great when it comes to promoting with Hashing Space, because right now the only way somebody can join Hashing Space is through an affiliate link, right? Either from the admin or from anybody else who will invite them onto it. So simply just share your link around wherever you can, and then get some people to join this website. And you never regret doing so, because I really see great potential in Hashing Space as it goes further. So that's really amazing. And then they accept asimi as form of payment. So this just shows you the potential that asimi is going to grow up to. So it's like really amazing. I'm really excited for Hashing Space right now. And asimi token as a community, like I'm really excited to see how far this will go. Because I can see the potential, great potential. With all these services being introduced, you can see that There's no way this business is going to fail. This business is just meant to go higher and stay there for decades, right? I'm really excited for the future of asimi and the hashing space. So that's basically the big picture. So as I said again, you can go watch this video on Luke Miller's channel, Hashing Space official admin channel. You'll be able to see this. Or just if you're already a partner or a member of Hashing Space, you already know that I'm pretty sure they sent you an email. You'll receive email so that you are actually up to date and stay up to date with these videos whenever they're released. So yeah, it's really great, exciting times ahead with Hashing Space and asimi token, and I hope you're able to capitalize on it as soon as you're watching this video. I hope you're really part of it. If you're not, my link is down below. You can get started today. It's totally for free. You don't have to pay for anything. As I said, you can start earning asimi tokens today. You can start advertising. I really appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. If you got any questions, don't forget to hit me up on Telegram. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and never miss a video. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.